She's basically everything you would ask for as far as being a soulmate.
Outgoing, always looking for a new adventure, wanting to try new things, just had a vibrance for life.
She just kept going as often, as long as she could, until probably the last 6 months, to where she was really starting to fail, with her legs getting weak. It finally got to the point where it really wasn't safe for me trying to handle her, whether she like take a bath and whatnot, to get her out of it. She was so weak. But this friend mentioned that his brother was here. He just raved about what a great place it was. And I said, Dory, we got to do something different. And she said, yes, we got to do something. I said, would you go to the hospice house? And she said, yes, we got to do something. And then I asked Dory if she wanted to drive through town on the way out. Yeah, but she said very little on the trip in. But we get here to the hospital and they're all waiting for us. Whoever thought this process had either been there or knew what the needs were. People that were taking care of her were so thoughtful. But I just made sure he knew that he must have a front row seat in heaven, because the way he took care of it, and some of them, it takes a special person to do what they do. Well, that's what it's all about. Everything that comes along that I feel is good for her memory. My thoughts have always been, it's the people in the trenches that make things happen. These people need all the support they can get, because they're the ones that are going through this.
It's got to be hard. Every day dealing with end of life, and to have spaces that they can go and recharge and rewind, and they're very special people. It's not a job that everyone can do. Being able to lovingly go through each journey, and as it's a new journey for those people.
Those that pass away at the hospice house, and how lucky and blessed they are.